Okay, now let's see how to use those lines from the first video. So here we wait for the price to touch the line, first one. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, so we have this touch here, and when you can sell right away here, but well, it's better not to do that. Just let's first, I want to see some reaction for real. So there is one on this candle, and right about here where is this actual touch, I will put my sell order, or I want to sell around there. So from there, what to do? We have the first high and the second lower high. I will use this value for my target and for my stop. But my stop will be one time the value itself with plus the spread, whatever your spread is. So I will enter here, and then my first target will be here. My second will be here, because of I just want to double it like that, and then I will make it 4 times for a third target. If you you need to have a space to do that. So we have the space because actually here we have a consolidation part, and it is logic. There is a logic to go and test again this bottom of the channel. So no matter how you draw this channel, it will be with the rules. So the point is that I use the value of the ATR for my stop one time, or if I have some higher high here, for example here, I will combine both, and if this candle was somewhere around here, my stop would be there, right? So this is my first try here. But for the second one, let's see what is going on. So here we have a good buy candle. Actually, it's not very good, but I don't want to buy here, because if you have only this candle, it's not telling me anything. So here I have a resistance. We are in the downtrend, and the price is around this first line, so it's not very safe to buy here. You need more confirmation. For example, this is my first touch, this is the second touch. Okay, we need at least 3 touches before to looking for buy orders. So from here I will see the next candle, and I'm sure that we have a sellers, right? So if you want to confirm that, you can wait the next candle, or you can put your sell stop just below this candle, and to sell with the stop over the high of it. And in that case, you will want 1-to-1, at least 1-to-1. So your target, first target will be here. Your second target will be twice. And your third target, if you have more lots into the order, will be like this one to here. Okay, so then we have third touch here, so I can risk that. I would risk that for sure. I have this candle, this back candle here. Here is its touch with my line, so I'll go back and get the value from the ATR from before, from the second lower high, and we'll put it just where we get this touch. So my stop loss will be there. Oh, okay, stop loss will be here. My first target will be here. Okay, my second will be here, and the third will be like that. Yeah, almost there. However, from after you get your second target, you can start with the trading. So here we have a really strong move. We have also this candle here, which the close of it is under the line. Okay, is that so? Again, I will wait for the price to get back here to the where this candle touches my trend line, but that never happened. So what is going on here? Again, here's my touch, but here it would take my stop loss, because I will put it just below. Okay, this will be lost. But after that, check this out. You can try it again, and this time you'll get something even more. So how I would play this? So here there is a loss, here there is a second try, because this line we have 3-4 touches on it, so it's obvious for me at least that the buyers are around. But so however, I will buy here, I will take this loss, then I will buy again, because the actual risk is very, very small. And the good thing about this, it depends what kind of trader you are. So in this case, take a look how much space we have between the lines already. So we can try to trail until the price gets to the second line. Okay, so from this one, what to do with it? Good sell candle, but this time I will use this value from the ATR because this candle. So here I will put my sell limit here when the price is closing below this line. Then it make this move again to test the line, and I will sell. So again, my first target will be this much, stop loss will be there, then I'll take the second target here, and my third target will be 4 times my stop, so it will be here. Of course, after the second target, I will put my stop loss here at the end, plus 1 or 2 pips. So again here, when I get those crosses here, I don't want to be around to get involved, because most of the time there is no enough space for anything. So I will prefer to wait and see what will happen. Or check this out. We have a new line, the orange one. Those are the alt lines still working here. So however, here I have good candle. On this pullback it doesn't get to the price where this candle touches the line, so I'm not going to buy here, but I would sell here. Okay, this is one touch, and the second will be here's a touch, so I will sell here. My stop loss will be that much. Actually, how many pips is this? 23. Okay. Second target, the third target is like that. Yeah, that's okay. So with this you can, this is 1 hour, you can use it on smaller time frames or bigger, whatever your time frame, whatever is your favorite time frame. But also you can use this on other charts. Let's see. Let's delete those. That's okay. So what we got here? For example, let's say this is not true yet. Okay, we have only this part of the, this is the highest high we can see here, 20 pips. Let's try to make it fast. Let's try this, although I don't like it a lot, but 32 pips. this is the candle it closes. Here's a touch, but it closes below, above, excuse me. You need a confirmation, so you want to buy here to scalp it. Only one target because it's against the trend. Your stop loss has to be here, and your stop right now would be below this line. I will make the second copy also, so it's okay. However, we'll buy there. Stop loss is this. First target is this one, and no more than second target because we are against the trends. Why we can buy here? Because this is our first touch, our second, this is the third, and yeah, we can buy here. But also we can sell here, right? This is a touch here, first candle, then we'll sell when the price pulls back to it. I hope you understand what is happening here. If not, you can ask your questions. So the first target will be here for this one. The second will be here. This is our stop there. This is our entry. I'll make it like that to show the entry. Whoops. Okay. And obviously the third target will not it's probably, so you will get this two targets, but then when you move your stop loss here, you will be out. But you can be out here also for your third target because we have a condition for buy, so we're buying here. And from now on, what to do now? So here's, let me just clean this a bit. So here we have a good retracement. So let's see. This is the lowest, the next lowest high, so 24 pips. Okay. I will connect the second one with the third one. Check this out. Nice. And also like that. So in this case, I would miss this one because actually I can buy here. with the stop loss. Yeah, that would be nice. Even my third target will be true. Yeah, very good. But then let me delete everything. But then we have 26 pips of okay. Like that. This is the pullback for this one. 14 pips. So connect those like that. I don't like this one, this one, this one. I would sell around here, but it will be tricky, so let's see if we can use the second one. Yeah, this is better right now. So I have this candle here. So because we have two copies of the value, I will combine those. And here this candle closes below, a good candle. So I will wait for the pullback. We'll sell here. My stop loss will be here. Then my first target is there, second, and third, of course. Just like that. So that's it. That's the basic idea, guys. I hope you will do your testing by your hand, by yourself. You need to get in touch with this, because otherwise you wouldn't believe it. You wouldn't be able to trade this kind of scalping. Okay, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.